Python audio converter.
An examination of the audio converter package.
What is audio converter?
This audio converter package is a simple CLI tool that allows users to easily convert a directory of audio files from one format to another. This CLI sits on top of pydub and ffmpeg, making the conversion process easy and efficient. The main motivation behind creating this package was to convert old music in a lossless format to a more universal format, such as MP3, that can be played on any device or platform.
What are the dependencies we need to install to use this tool?
To use this package, you'll need to follow a few simple steps. First, make sure you have ffmpeg installed on your device. Then, follow the pydub tutorial to set up ffmpeg on your specific platform.
How then do we install it?
Once you've done that, you can simply install the CLI using the pip install command provided.
Usage.
To convert your audio files using this package, use the following command. This command will search the specified input_directory for files with music extensions and convert them to the specified target_format. The converted files will be placed in the output_directory with the same name but updated extension.
Supported formats.
This package supports a variety of popular audio formats including MP3, FLAC, AIFF, MP4, M4A, WAV, and OGG. The extension formats are hard-coded into the package to ensure smooth and efficient conversion.
Download.
If you're interested in trying out this audio converter package, you can find it at the following URL: https://pypi.org/project/audioconverter/. Hello, thanks for watching. If you like this type of video, then please be sure to like and subscribe. We are trying to grow this channel. See you in the next video.